Hello children, it's me again. Do you still remember my name? My name is Teacher Nia. Say that again, please. Teacher Nia. Okay, so last time we talked about the words he and she, right? We use he when we refer to boys, and we use she when we refer to girls. Okay, but today we're going to talk about something different. We're going to talk about colors. Okay, let's review our colors first. What color is this? Red. Red, or in Filipino, pula. Red, just like a strawberry. Red, just like a fire truck. Red, just like, can you think of something red? How about this one? Okay, it's color yellow. Yellow, or in Filipino, kulay dilaw. 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 Okay. Yellow, just like a banana. Yellow, just like the sun. Yellow, just like, can you think of something yellow? How about, ta-da! This color. This is color blue. Blue, or in Filipino, azul. Azul. Blue, just like the sky. Blue, just like, can you think of something blue? Okay, the colors that I showed you are called primary colors. And did you know that if you mix two primary colors together, they will make a new or a different color? If you mix blue and red together, what color will they make? If you mix yellow and red together, what color would they make? Let's see. So for today, we are going to use ice cubes. So I have here ice cubes in different colors, diba? The primary colors. We have red ice cubes, yellow ice cubes, blue ice cubes, and we will melt them in our glasses. Okay, so first, let's mix maybe red and yellow first. Let me get a red ice cube. Maybe 3 of them. 1, 2, and 1 tiny cube, 3. Let's mix red with yellow. Maybe 3 of the yellow cubes also. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's get hot water so that they will melt and mix quickly. It's making... What color is that? Red and yellow together make orange. How about, what if we mix red with blue? Do you have a guess? Let's see. Let's put red. Oh, they're so tiny. Red. And then blue. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I think we need more red. I think it's starting to make purple. Red and yellow made orange, while blue and red made purple. By the way, orange in Filipino is kahel. While blue and red make purple, which is lila in Filipino. That's lila. Okay? Lila, kahel. Okay. Meron pa ba tayong hindi na-mix? Oh! How about blue and yellow together? Let's see. Maybe we can add the big ones. Blue, and 3 yellows. So 1, 2, 3. I see it. I see it. When we mixed blue and yellow, they made green. Okay, green, or in Filipino, verde. Can you say that? Verde. Okay, so again, red. Oh, they look so different now. Red and yellow make orange. Red and blue make purple. And blue and yellow make green. Nice. Oh, this is so fun to do. If you want to do this at home, you only need to prepare colored ice cubes. Oh, by the way, I made these ice cubes using water and paint. So I mixed the water and paint together, and then I poured it into the ice cube tray. Okay? And then we also used kettle with hot water and clear glasses. Okay, you can try this at home, but don't forget, please do not do this by yourself, okay? Because the hot water is dangerous. Okay, you might hurt yourself with the hot water. So make sure to ask for help from your parents or from the other adults at home, okay? Did you have fun? I hope you did. Wait, before I end this video, let me say hi to the kids. I want to say hi to Riley. Hi, Riley. Also to Ayesha and Alonzo and Dwayne and Micaela and Enzo. Hi. See you next time. Bye-bye.